Next video. In today's video I will show you how to scan a QR code or a barcode using VisionKit in React Native's new architecture. Now I have already made a video previously on my channel like how to scan QR code using AV Foundation, but in this video we will be using VisionKit, and this video is specifically only for iOS because VisionKit is an Apple library. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to enable the new architecture. So I have created a React Native project. Then you have to cd to your iOS directory and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture. Next, we will be following the Turbo Native modules documentation. So if you are curious, you can read on this, but I will get right to the folder creation. So I have created a folder called RTN My Document Scanner. Inside that there is a JS folder, and I have created a TypeScript file as well. And here you can see that I have copied everything from docs. Only the method name has been changed as well as this file name has been changed. Next, inside package.json, again I have copied everything from docs. Only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, this has been changed, as well as this has been changed. Next, for podspec, again copied everything from docs. Only this name has been changed. Next, what you have to do is open your terminal and go to the root of your React Native project and then run this. Once you do that, you have to do cd dot dot, which means you will move outside your React Native project and then run this command, and make sure this should be your React Native project name. So here in my case it is rnmyapp, and this should be your folder name. Once you do that, you have to cd back to your iOS directory. So cd to iOS and then run this command again. So this will create pod for your folder. Okay, once you do that, before running the showing you the iOS code, I will show you the output. So here I have a button. Click on that button. I will scan a QR code and it will immediately give me whatever is present inside the QR code inside a label. So I will open Xcode, and first of all you have to go to your info.plist and add this camera permission. Next, you have to go to your project and add, make sure the iOS minimum target is iOS 16 as well as over here. Next, you have to add this header event emitter header file, because we will be sending data from React Native side from a native side to React Native side. And again you have to create this objective C file as well. Okay, next you have to create this Swift file called My Document Scanner and just click on create bridging header. So Xcode will create this bridging header for you, and inside the bridging header you will have to add this import. Next, you will have to create a PCH file. So inside that PCH file you just have to add this import VisionKit. Okay, and next you have to create a header file, and again this has been copied from docs. Only this name has been changed. And then you have to create an objective C file, but make sure you change the extension to .mm. And here again copied everything from docs. Only for this import, this should be your bridging header file name. And here we are initializing our Swift file, and this has been copied from docs. Only this name has been changed. And inside scan document method, we are calling the scan method of document scanner on the main thread. And next, what you have to go to your project, select target, go to build settings, select Apple CLang. Okay, and go to over here Apple CLang language. Make sure the pre-compile prefix header is yes, and inside the prefix header add your prefix header file name. So I have already done that. Now for the Swift file, import UIKit, VisionKit and React, and you will have to extend data scanner view controller delegate as well. And here you can see, for recognize data type we are sending it as barcode. You can also recognize text, and for that you can pass some languages as well. Not all languages are supported, so you can check the documentation on what languages are being supported. And here we are just checking whether this is possible in our device or not, whether supported or available. And inside scan we are just presenting that view controller, and you will have to override all these methods. So for this this method gets called if you keep scanning till you keep scanning a QR code, and it won't dismiss automatically. But I don't want this. I want to dismiss the view controller as soon as the QR code is being scanned. So that's why I'm using this method. And here you can see we are stopping the scan as well as dismissing it and sending the data back to React Native side. and here we are just other overridden methods. So if you want, you can use that as well. And inside over here we are just creating a button, and we are calling that scan document, and once we get a text we are displaying it over here. And inside use effect you can see that I'm listening for on my event and setting it to over text, and here I have taken event emitter as well as set text use state as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.